Hi team, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining the today's class. So coming to the today's class, let me try to discuss about yesterday I discussed about what is Salesforce and what are the advantages of Salesforce. All these particular things I discussed in yesterday class. Coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be discuss about like a Salesforce admin part. So I told you previously also. So we are going to be start with initial days with the Salesforce admin part. Later on, we are going to be discuss about other parts. So today I'm going to be discuss about the syllabus, what we are covering in the upcoming classes under the Salesforce admin part. After that, I'm going to be discuss about the registration, how to create your own free Salesforce org. That are the two things I'm going to be discuss. So first of all, let me try to ask you once again. Anyone had not been joined yesterday class? Anyone? Durga Prasad, you listen the recording?
No, haven't got any recording yet.
Is it? Okay, okay. I'll send you. Just it's nothing but what is Salesforce. Like I given some intro, that's it. Okay. Just I had been interacted. I'll send you the recording. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. So coming today is the second class. Yeah, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I discussed it previously also. The training should be 3 months, 15 days. Okay, initially I'm going to be start with Salesforce admin.
Venkat, just a minute. Actually,
Yes,
the
please.
students from Harsha trainings got recording yesterday itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so initially I'm going to be start with the Salesforce admin. Then I'm going to be start with Salesforce development. Later on, I'm going to be start with Salesforce LWC. The people who did not receive the recording, okay, from other like other coordinators, I'll send you today. Okay, yesterday's class. The people who did not receive the recordings, others coordinators, I'll send you today. Yeah. So we are going to be, these are the three parts we are going to be started. So initially we are going to be start with the Salesforce admin. Then later on I'm going to be discuss with the Salesforce development Apex programming. After that I'm going to be discuss about Salesforce LWC. Okay, let us go with Salesforce admin. Initially at starting, whenever we are learning any of the new technology, we need to learn some introduction. Okay, introduction, some theoretical introduction to the Salesforce. So we need to learn some theoretical part. Whenever if you're learning any technology, you need to learn about some theoretical part. What when the upgrades will be going to be happen. So what about the installation part? Each and everything you need to know in detail about the things. Okay, in detail about all the things. After completion of this introduction to the Salesforce, I am going to be discuss about how to create your Salesforce free org. Today only I'll discuss about how to create a Salesforce free org. Okay, after discussing how to create a Salesforce free org, how to create a Salesforce, your free org. Uh, It's a permanent edition. Okay, so it is a free. It's not a paid one. I'm saying again, it's a free version. Okay, you can install it. Sorry, you can create your account and I'll help you to do this. Initial at starting. Okay, I'm going to be discuss about apps, objects, because these are all the basic fundamentals, fields, record types, page layouts, all these things with examples. Okay, I'm saying again, I told you the project. Okay, so our training will be go as like a project as well as the concepts also will be covered. Okay, concept are also will be covered. Then let me try to go the module wise one by one. Okay, relationships. I'll tell you one thing. For example, just imagine. Okay, if you are taking an account from HDFC Bank, just imagine if you are taking an account from the HDFC Bank. Okay, you are doing one deposit or multiple deposits and withdrawals. For example, you take an account at 2023. Okay, in between, So they're doing one deposit or multiple deposit. For example, you're transferring money to your friends. Like phone pay is also deposit. For example, you're sending money to someone. Okay, you're doing one deposit or a multiple deposits. You're doing multiple. Please respond. You're doing one deposit or multiple deposits.
One deposit, no?
Is it one deposit? Only you are
No.
sending money to one person after taking account from the HDFC Bank?
Yeah, like one is sending and one is receiving means two.
No. I'm saying that in between this 2000, okay, you're taking account at 2023. Just imagine. Okay, later
Mhm.
on, you will do multiple transaction or a single transaction.
Multiple, no? A lot.
Lot of transaction, lot of withdrawals
Yeah.
you will do, lot of transaction. We cannot expect only one. Either it's a one or more. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, like one account can have multiple deposits. Means account is an object. Just I'll explain it in future. I'm giving some glance. Okay, one account can have multiple deposits and one account can have multiple withdrawals. Means we need to establish some relationship in between these particular two things. Okay, I need to establish a relationship. How to do this relationship? There are different types of concepts under the background involved in the Salesforce. Okay, when the relationships concept has been introduced, I'll discuss one by one. So what is lookup? Okay, what is master detail? All these particular things I'm going to be explain when I'm explaining the relationship concept. Hierarchical, junction object. Okay, many to many relationship, roll up summary. Okay, one to many. All these particular things I'm going to be discussed in upcoming classes. After completion of the relationships concept, I'm saying again, after completion of the relationships concept, I'm going to be explain about the validation rules. Like I'm saying again, like let me try to go to the practical and project wise, and also the concept will be covered. I designed the process like that. Okay, so what is validation rule? I'll make you like this as like a real time scenarios. For example, just imagine you are doing some insurance to one of the company. Okay, this is name field. Just imagine. Okay, you'll enter the name, age, like this, etc. details. For example, this is a name. Okay, you're entering numbers. Okay, is it will be accepted or it will show error?
It should show error.
Why? Any reason? Anyone? Anyone? Why it is showing? Why it will show error?
Yeah, as we develop for a text and you are entering a number.
Definitely. Yeah, good. How the system knows, Harish? How the system knows? Okay, by using these validation rules. Okay, by using this validation rule, system knows. Okay, by using this validation rule, system knows. Okay, this is the number. Then it will give some message. Okay, to the customer. Okay, you are entering. Hey, you are entering number. Please enter your name. Okay, then only it will take the information. Okay, how to make all this particular process by using the validation rule. There are multiple scenarios I'm going to be discussed on this. There are multiple scenarios with different use cases. And also I'm going to give some assignments also on this validation rules. Yeah. And I'm saying again, like you can say that this will be asked in the interview. So I'll not say each and everything will be asked in the interview. Maybe some things will be asked in the interview, some things will be useful in your project point of view. Okay, project point of view. I'm saying again, I'll tell you. For example, if anything is important for the interview, I'll tell you, hey, this is important for the interview. Okay, you can study well for the like when you're listening. Just I'll ask some theoretical questions and I'll give the module-wise interview questions also. Okay, after completion of the validation rules, I'm going to be discuss about data. So here the main thing is no need to use any external tools. Each and every information is been available here. Easily we can do it. Like we have data loader, data import wizard, etc. So what is this data migration tool? Okay, like for example, just imagine like you have multiple in real time. We have thousands of records. For example, if you take book my show. So multiple people will book the tickets. Like for example, just imagine anyone, for example, you do multiple transactions in a month or 2 months, like you'll get a call from the bank, like we are giving the personal loan. Do you need any personal loan assistance, like that? Anyone observe this?
Yeah, I observed that. If you're even
Anyone?
spending more than 2 lakhs or 4 lakhs, they
uh,
will ask if they need
yeah.
any personal loan or a house loan or something.
Etc, etc. Anyone got like this call? Just normal, I'm asking. Yeah. Anyone got Shiva Satish? Anyone got this like this?
Venkat, even I observed like if you're transferring amount from India to some other country, immediately
Mm-hmm.
we get a call from Mumbai, their head office, whether you
Yes.
did this one or someone else.
Some other people has been done this like
Yeah,
this.
fraud detection something is they are implementing nowadays.
Exactly, exactly. Anyone got the calls like this?
Yes, I also have seen this one. Whenever we transfer more than 1 lakh or 50,000, we get the call, and after that we are saying yes. Then only the amount is transferring to the other account. Otherwise, it won't happen. The transaction will be denied.
Exactly. Like this, we have multiple people. Okay, how the salespeople know all this particular information? We don't have a single people. We have multiple people, thousands of people. Okay, maybe on that particular day, thousands of people will do the transactions. Okay, like how the salespeople know? I'll tell you. So by using this data migration tool, for example, if we written a some single query, I'll tell you in future. Okay, immediately. For example, just imagine I want to get the people where the transaction amount is greater than, for example, just imagine if you want to get the information, if the transaction amount is greater than 2 lakhs, immediately by using this data migration tool, we can transform all the records to Excel sheets. Okay, we can send all the records to Excel sheet. We can export all the records to Excel sheet by using the single query. Okay, like without using any external tools, I'm saying again, Salesforce provides a data loader and data import wizard. By using these tools, we can export all the information to Excel sheets, whatever the requirements we need. Okay, after that, for example, if we send this particular information to the salespeople, okay, Excel sheet. For example, if the client asked you this information, okay, after retrieving the data, if you're sending it to the client, immediately the client will call you. Okay, immediately the client will call to the people one by one. So not client, salespeople. Salespeople, like each and every organization, there is a salespeople, support people, different types of people. They will call you. Okay, so this is the transaction. Is it done like that or whatever it may be? Just I'm giving some idea, like data loader, data import wizard. It's nothing but just exporting the data to Excel sheets. These are all the things. Yeah, I'll explain in upcoming classes with different scenarios. Okay, with the custom objects and standard objects, each and everything. I'm saying again, the people who don't know about anything also, I'll tell you from basics onwards. Okay, just only today's class. What is the use of each topic? How each topic is useful in the real time. That is the thing I'm explaining. Okay. After completion of the data migration tools, I'm going to be discuss about reports and dashboards. For example, if you take other technology, okay, so for this building the reports, we need to use any other external tools like Power BI, like this. But here, no need to use any other external tool. Salesforce inbuilt provides the reports. By using these reports, you can build a powerful reports as well as a dashboards. What is these reports and dashboards? I'll tell you. Anyone observed in the COVID days how many people got some positive, how many people got some negative? You'll get an update. Anyone observe this? How many people got some positives, how many people got some negatives? Anyone observe? Just we'll get some update, positives and negatives in pie charts with the different types of things. Anyone observe? Anyone observe this?
Yes, so it would show in dashboard.
Dashboards, yeah. For example, if that particular company has been using the Salesforce, okay, definitely by using these reports and dashboards, we can build a powerful reports and dashboards and in easy manner. Okay, there are different types of reports: a tabular report, summary report, matrix report, joint report. Okay, by using these reports, we can build all the particular things easily. And also, not only this, for example, just imagine if any say just imagine it's like a supermarket business. The supermarket business, they're using Salesforce for their software. They want to know how many people had purchased, how much revenue got. For example, if they want to build a report by using the Salesforce without using any external tool, no need to purchase any external tool license, anything. By using the Salesforce, we can do anything. Yeah, that's why each and every client, I told you yesterday also, most of the clients are preferring Salesforce with less budget, because each and everything it will be covered here only. Yeah, that is the reason. And the reports and dashboards. Any queries to anyone? Just I am speaking. Everyone is understanding. Sharath, Vineet, Harish, Naidu, Vamsi, Joshna, Ganesh, Shivasatish,
Yes, sir.
Mallikarjuna, Swati. Okay, fine, good, good. And after completion of the reports and dashboards, I'm going to be discuss about data security. I'll ask you one question. Sharath, for example, you do some transactions. Is it will be visible to Karan? Yes or no? You're doing some transactions in your account. Is it will be visible to other person?
No, sir.
Definitely it's not visible. For example, if you're purchasing some things, there's definitely a security mechanism is involved on the back end. Okay, for Salesforce also a high background security is involved. In interviews, data security is important, and similarly in the project point of view also the data security is very very important. Interviews and as well as a project point of view also this data security is very very important. Data security. So there are I think 4 to 5 days I use it to cover this data security, organization level security, okay, profile level security. In interviews, each and every either you are a fresher or experienced person, anywhere it will be asked. Okay, organization level security, profile level security, and field level security, and object level, record level, all these particular things. OWD. There are multiple concepts. Case and lead. Auto response rules, like this we have different things, multiple functionalities are there. I'll not say single functionality, we have multiple functionalities. OWD, etc. There are multiple functionalities are involved in this data security. Don't worry, I'll provide you the interview questions, and also I'll provide you the practical point of view for everything.
Venkat
And
bhai,
even the, yes please.
so sorry to interrupt you. Can you please repeat the last sentence? It got disconnected. Like my app was disconnected. Can you please repeat from data security, like reports and dashboard, from reports and dashboard? Like you told
Current
we
one
can
minute,
move
current
something
one
to
minute,
Excel.
current 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait.
Okay, well, then no issues.
Reports are nothing but like for example, just imagine, okay, um, I'll tell you. In the COVID days, do you remember how many people got some positive, how many people got some negative? Do you remember?
Yes, bro.
If you use external tools, just imagine if you use other technologies, there you need some external tools to develop these particular things, whatever it may be. But coming to the Salesforce, okay, Salesforce is provides an inbuilt functionality reports. We can by using this we can build these reports and dashboards. Okay, like in upcoming classes, I'll give some idea on these reports and dashboards. We'll build some powerful dashboard also by combination of multiple reports. Okay, that is the first thing about reports. And coming to the dashboards, sorry, combination of reports is called dashboards. And data security, for example, just imagine Karan, if you perform some transaction, okay, is Ganesh will be visible to the transaction? Definitely it is not there, it's not visible. For example, Shiva Satish is performed some activities on her account, definitely other person cannot be able to see. How this it will be established? By using the data security. Salesforce involves data security mechanism. By using this we can do it, all these things. Salesforce is data security is important for your project point of view as well as interview point of view. In the upcoming classes, I will give you each and every details. I'm saying the same. Okay, Karan, now you clear?
Yeah, okay, bro. So
Okay,
one
fine.
thing you told that like tool, excuse me, the all will be converted into Excel, and all companies are using the Salesforce. Like how much you have purchased, how much you can you repeat that one?
It's a data loader tool. Okay, it's a data loader tool. By using the data loader, we can convert to Excel sheets. The company which are using Salesforce is in their projects, they can use this tool. Okay, for to convert their data to Excel sheets. This is the thing. And coming to the data, so I discussed about data security, all these particular things. Later on, I'm going to be discuss about automation tool. Okay, to make your activities automation, there are different types of tools: workflow, process builder, okay, flows. And coming to the flows again, it will be subdivided: screen flow, record triggered flow. Okay, there are different types of flows are there. I'm saying again, process builder and workflow are the retired version. Presently nowadays we are not using. Okay, process builder and workflow are retired version. In December 2025, they are saying 24. They want to remove this workflow and process builder. But I'll discuss 1 to 2 use cases on this also. Flows is very, very important. I'll discuss so many use cases on these flows. I'll tell you when you are going to the interview, what are the things will be asked. Definitely, I'll give you. For example, how this process automation will be work. I'll tell you. In like just imagine. For example, if you take in an account, just imagine I'm giving some example on normal real time use cases. Okay. For example, if you take an account from any of the book my show, just imagine you take an account from the book my show and you had been booked your tickets. Okay, after booking your tickets, immediately you'll get an email. Thank you for booking the tickets and your booking information, each and everything. Anyone observed that? Ganesh, Vineet, anyone observed Harish, Durga Prasad, Vamsi, Karan? Immediately you'll get an email.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for
Yes, sir.
not only this, just imagine Flipkart or HDFC Bank. Whenever if you perform some transaction or whenever if you perform some activities, immediately you'll get an email triggered this. Anyone observed this? Like for example, you changed your password, you changed your email, immediately you'll get an email notification. Or for example, if you perform some deposits with address, anyone observed? Only Bank of Baroda we did not got that much, but HDFC Bank will get up to date. Anyone observed? Naidu, Harish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got mails.
But some banks you observe that it will not get regularly through email. But HDFC, I observed this. I had an account in HDFC, Bank of
The
Baroda, and
text
Canara
message
Bank.
will update.
Yeah, it's been up to date. Everything I observed it. Anyone have an account of Axis Bank? Axis Bank.
Yes, sir.
Axis
I do.
Bank. Axis Bank also
I have
similarly.
access method.
Oh, Axis Bank also similarly. Anyone observe this? Axis Bank also similar thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, just each and everything. How to trigger all this particular email notification, each and everything. I'll discuss it. After completion of all these particular things, I'll discuss about the sales cloud topics. Okay, these two topics mostly I'm seeing that they are not covering, but I'll tell you which things are important. Everything. Service cloud topics is nothing but, for example, just imagine Durga Prasad or Vamsi, anyone can unmute your mic. For example, if you purchased a new laptop, okay, you got an issue on that particular laptop. Okay, what is you had a warranty for 1 year. 1 year. Like what you will do? What's the steps you will take, Durga Prasad?
We need to
Harish.
raise the service. We need to contact customer care, and we
Okay,
need to
there are
raise
two.
an issue.
Yes, it's correct. Yeah. Okay, what you'll do, either you can go to that particular website and you can have service desk like chat section, and immediately you will contact the chat the team. Or the second option is you'll contact the customer support, they'll connect it. Okay, there are different alternatives out there. Okay, how to design the chat section? For example, if you take other technologies, they need external software, something. But every use case, whatever we are seeing in the real time, we can build. Okay, so we have a live web chat and omni-channel mechanism. By using this live web chat and omni-channel, even I'll build that particular mechanism in the service cloud. In the service cloud, I'll build all these things. Okay, omni-channel, live web chat. Okay, all these topics, entitlements, agreements, contract agreement. For example, you purchased some product in any of the company. If they give an agreement, okay, there is some contract agreement. We need to, they will store under the backend. For example, if they're using Salesforce, they will store all this information under the background. All these particular things I'll discuss. Some topics, yeah. And apart from this, after that, I told you, I'll discuss interview questions. Module wise interview questions, I told you previously only. Module wise interview questions. Apart from this, before discussion, just I'll discuss at the end. In before only, when I completed the data security, okay, I'll give the data security interview questions. So for example, if I completed the relationships concept, I'll give the relationships interview questions, because when I given the topic wise, because it will be easy for you. Okay, it will be easy for you to study, because it's completely depends on the students. If I want to give later on, I can give it. Otherwise, if you need topic wise, means I can give the topic wise. Can I give the topic wise interview questions? It's entirely based on the students' review. Yeah. Students' interest. If you need topic wise interview questions, means I'll give the topic wise interview questions. Joshna, what's the thing you're expecting? Mallikarjuna, Swati, Naidu, Harish.
Yeah, once you finish your class, we can check, right, whether we are in the same line or
Okay.
a different.
Fine. Then fine. I think topic wise interview questions is better then. Okay.
Yeah,
After
even
completion of each topic.
I require like we can discuss next class, right? Once the topic
It's
is finished.
exactly. It's correct.
If
Yeah.
not, we can discuss on one day around. You can give us like a 10 or 20 minutes to that. Once
Yeah.
we
I'm giving.
cover, yeah.
Yes,
So
yes, it's correct. Even initial starting day also I told you, yes, we'll give. Yeah. Because initial 10 days onwards, like it's like a basic things, registration, all these Salesforce or all these particular things, like some basic module which later on I'm going to be do that particular thing only, Mallikarj. Because why this in previous class also the same practice means multiple times you'll do revision. Okay, like it's like you can when you're going to the interview as an experienced person, you can say easily. That is a thing, Mallikarjun. I'll do the same practice. Okay. Okay. So these are all the syllabus I'm going to be completed on the admin part and all these things. After completion of the Salesforce admin, I'm going to be discuss about Salesforce development. When I'm starting the first class on the Salesforce development, similarly I'll do introduction about the Salesforce development plus integration. Okay, similarly, when I'm starting with Salesforce LWC, on the first day, I'm going to be introduced about what is Salesforce LWC, how it is used in the market, and what are the things I'm going to be covered, what are the scenarios I'm going to be covered, and what are the topics I'm going to be covered. Each and everything I'll discuss under the Salesforce LWC also. Yeah. Anyone have any queries on these things, whatever I discussed it till now? Anyone have any
Venkat, I
queries?
have one doubt. Like we are purchasing a company purchasing some space or something like, and we are start building the application, right? And we are not a single person or a two-person, right? It might be some group of members, and everyone won't work on a single story point, right? How they were separating and how they were like developing
Yeah,
and
I'll tell you. Like,
any,
yes, yes, there are some sandboxes are there. Okay, by using
mm,
that, we can do it. I'll tell you. Okay. For
and
example, if you
for
joined an organization, okay, there is a separate org will be there. So they will deploy it to higher environments like this. Okay. So the client will purchase all these particular things. Tomorrow I'll tell you what are the editions. Okay. What are the process? I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. What
okay.
are the editions? What are the editions are there? Like how, which things is client is preferring. All these particular things. Tomorrow I'll go one by one, Mallikarjuna. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what is the use of each and every edition, each and everything. And I'm saying again, what are the things which we have discussed in the same thing, same org in the real time also, it will not be changed. I'm saying again to everyone. If you practice day by day activities, it should be absolutely fine. Yeah. Anyone have any other queries? Manideep, any
Yeah,
queries?
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Like, What tools are we using for deployment, and will you cover those topics in this?
Yes, I'll cover that particular topics we are using. I'll explain about change set, and
Change.
also I'll show the Copado, and also I'll show the VS Code and GitHub also. Okay, when I'm discussing LWC, I'll show the VS Code and GitHub also. Okay, deployments is easy task only. I'll show you. Okay, it may take some minutes. I think so. Deployment
What
is
about
easily
this? I
complex.
should. They'll
Hmm?
use a kind called DevOps
uh, like uh, uh,
deployment.
1 minute, the project to project it will be changed, Manadip. Deployment, for example, in this particular project they are using VS Code and GitHub. They'll give the KT. Okay, like deployment, it's easy one only, Manadip, like deploying from one org to higher org. Okay, so learning the content is this the thing.
Okay.
Process is same, Manadip. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. So now let me try to register for this free Salesforce org. Okay, Salesforce registration. I'll send you the links also. I'm saying again, I'm requesting everyone. So kindly please take the link of this only. Don't take for 30 days free trial edition, all these particular things. Anyone from join from the laptop? Anyone join from the laptop?
Yes, Sanjay. I joined from
Okay.
laptop.
I'll ask you to share the screen also. Okay, 1 minute. Stop sharing my screen, 1 minute. First of all, initially I'll create an account. Later on, I'll help you. Okay, just anyone, any 2, 3 members can share their screen. I'll guide you. Accordingly, other people also please do it.
Sure, it's disabled for me.
I did not give an access. Please wait for 1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just I stopped sharing my screen. I'm opening one Word file. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, just I prepared all this Word file. Each and every Word files will be shared in the drive. I'm saying again, each and every Word file, what I'm discussing, each and everything will be shared in the drive. The people who has been registered, I think the registration is going on. Okay, so contact your coordinators. Okay, so then we can register for the training, and I'll upload all these particular things in the drive. So let me try to go for the register Salesforce. Okay, just the first name I'm mentioning. You can give your mail ID, and you can give your job role. Just you can give the developer and company name. You can mention as like an ABC or something. Okay, for example, if you are from other country, you can give it. Don't give, for example, you are from this one Jammu and Kashmir or something, or one language I did not remember. So entire org will come as like in that particular thing only. Japan. Don't give Japan if you're from Japan also. If you know Japanese means you can give the Japan. If you give the Japanese means the entire org looks like a Japanese only. Okay, so it's easy purpose I'm saying. Okay, every people will come upon. Okay, give your this all the things at the rate. You can give 3 letters. Okay, you can give 3 letters. I'm saying again, you can give 3 letters. Okay, my first name 3 letters I'm giving for remembrance of easy purpose. Okay, just you can click on this checkbox. I'm saying again username. You can give the email at the rate for easy purpose. I'm saying at the rate your 3 letters of your starting or any of the 3 letters. Click on sign me up. Beep processing. It may take some time to get an email notification. It may take some time. It may take some 5 to 10 minutes of time. Yeah, everyone able to see, please check your email. But I think I'll not get an email. Like this, you'll get an email, but it may take some 10 minutes of time or 5 to 10 minutes. Like this, I'll get an email notification. Let's see. Okay, let's go to an email. Email is also there. Okay, like this, we'll get an email notification, but I did not got an email. It may take some time. It may take some up to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of time to get a notification like this. I'm saying again. So anyone will share the screen. Okay, I'm giving the access. Anyone? Anyone joined with the laptop? If you did not join with the laptop, kindly please do it after completion of the class. Anyone joined with the laptop? I'll give you, just I'll guide you, that's it. In between, it may take some time for me also. Sheikh Aisha. I think Aisha has joined lately. Hi Aisha.
Hi Venkat.
Yeah, this is our second class. Just I'm going with what is Salesforce admin and what are the
Oh,
syllabus is been available. All these particular things. Okay.
okay. I have one doubt in Salesforce. There is a coding.
Yeah, Salesforce is a 50 percentage of coding and 50 percentage of configuration, Aisha. Like
Okay.
development is LWC, somewhat coding, but the coding is also easy. I'll give some tips. Like yesterday I mentioned that we have some AI tools. By using that, we can do this particular implementation easily. Even the people who don't know, who has a fear on the coding, I'll make you to do the coding easily. Because if you know implementation in real time, you can do it. Just concept is fine because it does not
Okay.
have more number of coding. For example, just imagine if you got 10 user stories, Aisha. Okay, up to
Okay.
6 7 user stories is admin part, some user stories are development, like that it will be combination. It's easy only, Aisha, it's not that much of it.
What is user development? What is it? User stories.
User stories are nothing but a requirement. For example, the client has given, okay, just imagine the client
Okay.
had told you to create some object. Okay, like in now whatever the concepts we are covering, the topics in real time, like assignments, like it's like a user stories. Okay, they will get, for example, just imagine the client needs some read access to one of the user. Okay, Ganesh needs some read access. Immediately they will create some ticket. Ticket is nothing but a user story. Like we add the read access, immediately the team leader will assign you, then you can add the read access and you can go and deploy to higher orgs like this in the our Salesforce. User storage is nothing but a requirements. Anyone will share the screen? Aisha, you'll share the screen.
No, I log in from my mobile.
Okay, anyone? Harish, Durga Prasad, don't
Uh,
worry, just
I
organize
have
the
a
screen.
question.
Yes, please.
So I already have an org with my Trailhead account. Should I
Mani,
create a new one or?
no, 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 no. Please create a new one. Trailhead is an expiry one. Okay, please create a new one because what are the things which we are discussing, each and everything will be covered in a org, because in future reference also you can use this org. Okay, it's a permanent free edition. You can create a new one with the link which I provided. Okay, with the same email is absolutely fine. One single email you can create multiple orgs. Swati, Naidu, Harish, anyone will share the screen?
I can share. I can share.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I'm giving the access for you. Make presenter. Okay. Okay. Now you can share the entire screen, Manadip. Okay.
Okay. Let me know if it is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Give your name.
So yeah,
For
what
ease,
will be my username?
just for ease, first you can give your mail ID
Okay.
for ease of access. At the rate, remove the Gmail.
Okay.
You can give the starting three letters of your. It's easy, MAN like this. Then you can easily remember your username. Sometimes if the people forgot also, you can easily remember. Okay, that's the
Okay.
reason. Or you can use anything.
Okay. Okay.
Click on the checkbox. Click on sign me up. Be processing. It may take some time, 5 to 10 minutes. Manideep, I'm requesting don't do simultaneously, whatever it may be the Salesforce and Trailhead. I'll tell you when you need to do because you'll be confused. Okay.
Yeah, I already completed, but yeah.
Okay, fine. Just normal I'm saying, okay, because I see in the students, that's why.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Manideep. It may take some time, it may take some up to 5 to 10 minutes. You'll get an email notification. Okay, you
Okay.
can stop share your screen. I'm verifying whether I got an email or not.
Okay. I'll let you.
Anyone will share the screen? I'll give the access. Anyone will share the screen? I'll give the access.
Yeah, Venkat, I will.
Oh, good. Who is this? Mallikarjuna. Okay, I'm sharing my. Give me. Manideep, when you got an email once, please tell me. Okay. Mallikarjuna, given access, please. Company name, don't give your company names, gives ABC. I'm saying again. Okay, for you also it may take some time. Mandeep, you got an email? I did not receive it. I'm waiting.
Not yet.
You gave your mail ID correctly. Mandeep is mail ID correct only now?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mandeep, Mallikarjuna. Okay, fine. Let me try to just after completion of this. Okay, just try. That's when I taken screenshots. It may take some time to get an email notification. So let me try to verify. Just you'll get as like a subject verify. Okay, you'll get an email with subject verify. It may take some time. Okay, you need to click on verify account. Okay, when you clicked on verify account immediately. Okay, when you clicked on verify account, you need to click on verify account. When you clicked on verify account, okay, just you'll get as like a new password, confirm new password. Just you can mention any of the answer, your city name, something. Okay, you need to click on change password, something. This is the screen you'll get if you clicked on verify password. After that, you need to log into the Salesforce org. Let me try to log into my Salesforce org. It's my previous org. Let me try to log in. By using this link, we need to log in. Just I'm showing you, popping this. Okay, this is my Salesforce org. If you want to log in, it may take some time for you to get verification. Okay, I set my previous password. Let me try to click on login button. When you click on login button, immediately it will be logged. Just I'm mentioning remind me later for registration of my mobile number. Okay, this is the entire org. It will be looks. This is the entire org. Take your time, everyone. So kindly please do it after completion of the class. Take your time and please do it. Don't lack it. Because This is the priority one. Kindly please complete it, everyone. So whatever the installation part document, the people who has been registered for the trainings, kindly please will upload in the drive and will give the access. This is about the thing. Anyone have any queries on the registration?
I have a question. Can we have multiple orgs with the same email ID?
Yeah, it is possible, Mandeep. For my single email only multiple orgs are there. It is
Okay.
possible, Mandeep. But keep it a single org. Like otherwise you'll be confused. But here I'm a trainer. Like for each every batch I'll create a different orgs, Mandeep. Okay. Naidu, Harish, Durga Prasad, Vamsi, Joshna, Sharath, Ganesh, Satish, Karan, Ayesha, Vinita. Anyone have any queries? Vineet. Anyone have any queries? Everyone able to understand how to create a free trial edition, and I discussed about the Salesforce admin theoretical part. Just an introduction. Anyone have any queries? Okay. So okay team, thank you. This is about today's class team. Let's meet again tomorrow and let's discuss about I mentioned about registration. Everyone kindly please complete the registration. Tomorrow I'll discuss about the theoretical part. I'll start with the very base theoretical part on the Salesforce. Okay, this is about today's
One
class.
more,
Yes,
this is
yes.
Aisha.
Yes, Aisha.
There is a tools to like you are using. We are using AI tools, no, in Salesforce. We'll use
Uh,
that
like
AI
we
tool.
have a yes, yes. Like we have a chat GPT, we have a chat Sonic. There are different types of AI tools are there, Aisha. If you want to
Yes.
integrate by using the integration, we can integrate out to our Salesforce. Okay, for example, just imagine if you got one. Just imagine if you want to write some code in the Salesforce.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
just you understood the concept from scratch. No one can be able to write. What you do nowadays, the people are doing just you can copy that user store and immediately you're getting the code and immediately you're copy pasting it in the org and immediately what you're doing then as per the requirement you're modifying that particular thing. Okay, like that the people are going. If you know the implementation, if you know the process, then you can do the process easily. Yes.
Yeah, and one more work is like tickets. They are having tickets in the Salesforce.
Tickets are nothing but for example I mentioned previously only like if one person is doing some activities, okay, like yesterday only I got some ticket, it's easy ticket only. Okay, like uh, just I'm normally saying about HDFC Bank. It is a common thing in HDFC Bank. When you observe the name, you see that only limited characters you can able to, and like 10 characters or 15 characters like that, or 20 characters. More than that, it is not possible. You observe this?
Yeah, yeah. I know I'm from same domain, like service desk. In my service desk, there is some tickets.
Yes, yes. Like, yeah, like on the data security, you'll get a tickets. Okay, sometimes the people are not performing the valid. You are into Salesforce background?
No, no, I'm from service desk engineer.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, service desk. Then service desk people will get a tickets immediately. For example, immediately if it's a Salesforce, they will carry forward that particular thing to Salesforce team. Then Salesforce team will resolve that issue, and
Okay.
then they will after completion of that again they'll intimate in the service it's completed. Okay, for example,
Okay.
if the issue is not resolved, then they will contact to that appropriate person who has been raised the tickets. Okay, then
Yeah,
the
yeah.
issue will be resolved. Yeah, this is the thing.
It's easy only, no?
Easy only, Ayesha. It's not difficult. I think I'm not sure who is your coordinator. Once please contact your coordinator and avail the recordings. Salesforce is
Okay.
easy and also it has a good career also. And work is also
Okay.
as compared to other technologies is easy only. That's the reason I'm saying again. My previous students who has been placed. I think yesterday also one of the person has been placed and we play success story also. Like the people
Okay.
who are working. Yeah. If you
I'm from
do the
Bangalore.
yes, Aisha.
I'm from Bangalore. Is there any
Okay.
lot of opportunities on Salesforce?
In Bangalore there are opportunities, in Hyderabad like there in in other state in all other states we have Aisha, not in a single state I want to conclude. Okay, but in Andhra Pradesh presently there is no like software companies, there is no, just I'm saying about other where is the software companies are located, definitely there is an opportunities. Yeah,
Okay.
like for example just imagine if we got an MNC company, not MNC company, just one company. Okay, they had located in Bangalore, Hyderabad, different locations. Okay, for example,
Okay.
just imagine if like if you are okay with Bangalore, they will give you Bangalore. It's not an issue. Okay, just the thing, main thing is your work matters a lot, Aisha. Yeah.
Yeah, we have to put some effort on Salesforce while learning this.
Yes, yes, yes. Every day, just nothing, just whatever I'm teaching, every day, just practice that for 1 2 hours. Then come to next class. For example, if you miss that recording, practice that. Like see the recording. If you have any queries, I'll be available in WhatsApp at any time. Okay, so you can message me if the issue is not resolved.
And
The next day you can share
some
yours.
syllabus
Right?
some syllabus is there like objects, classes, it will
Yes.
be related to Java only.
Not that. Not. It's somewhat different. Yeah. Here the concept, the notations are same, but the concepts are different. Aisha. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Stop sharing my screen. I'm stopping the recording.